Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Man, and in this video I am going to talk about why economic development is more important than economic growth. Firstly, let's study what is economic growth. It can be defined as an increase in the capacity of an economy to produce goods and services compared from one period of time to another. How it is measured? It is measured by the country's GDP in 1 year. GDP is the total amount of final goods and services produced in 1 year within the country. What are the factors of economic growth? There are four factors of economic growth that are entrepreneurship, capital goods, human capital, natural resources. What are the indicators of economic growth? First one is GDP. As you all know, gross domestic product is the value of output produced within a country during a time period. Second one is GNP, that is gross national product, which is the value of output produced within a country plus net income from abroad. What is economic development? It is a policy intervention with aims of development of human capital, infrastructure, literacy rate, health and general welfare of the citizens, whereas economic growth is a phenomena of market productivity and rise in GDP. Indicators of economic development are literacy rates, life expectancy, measures of poverty, demographic indicator, GDP per capita, disease indicator. As we all know, the Amartya Sen, who is a great economist, his view regarding economic development and growth is that economic growth is not an end in itself and has to enhance the lives people lead and the freedoms that they enjoy. Reasons behind why economic development is more important than economic growth are: as economic growth, we consider the increase in real GDP over time caused by additional resources and higher productivity of these inputs. As economic development, we consider not only the increase in output but also the structural, technological, and institutional changes in production and distribution of product. The main difference is that development includes a number of structural changes. That is why we may say that less developed countries develop, while the developed economies that present no significant structural changes grow. As an example, the increase in oil production may lead to the increase of the economy's product without implying that this growth will lead to the restructuring of the product, of the technology, or the distribution of the final product. Another way of looking at the problem is by saying that development is related to the increase of output while growth doesn't necessarily mean development. Thank you.